As a next step, we may now need to isolate the top 3 products in country. As usual, do a duplicate over here. Rename as top 3 products in country. Let's remove the average reference line by dragging it out. So there are 2 ways of doing it. You can use whichever is preferred by you. Go on product name over here and select Show Filter. From the filter, select Edit Filter. Go on to top and change it. Let's do a Ctrl+Z twice to see another way of doing the same. Drag product name onto filters directly. Go onto top and select by field. Change the field or column to sales. Since we want top 3, we will make it 3 over here. Click Apply and say OK. We may drag inventory, which is a leftover measure from the previous sheet. Drag sum of profits as per your choice.